Okay, YouTubers, we have our old belt here, which I'll show you later. Brand new belt. I'm going to go ahead and put it on this old blower here. First thing I got to do is undo this adjustment nut. Now, looks okay. They didn't bother to put the clip back on this, but under normal circumstances, I would take this squirrel cage out and clean it, but it's not too dirty inside. The coils for the air conditioning were brand new within the last year or so, but they did not clean the outside, as I may have mentioned before. Okay, basically what I'm doing is I'm just undoing this tensioner, which is just a little bolt here and a rubber cap on it. I'm undoing it so I can take this new belt. And always when you have the new belt, take it, spin it around a little bit and make sure there aren't any cracks in it, especially where they seam it together. And then I go ahead and slip it on the lower pulley, and sometimes, as in this case, you have to kind of walk it around like I did right there. Guarantee you that's a little too tight. Luckily on this bolt, it's marked. It's running a little bit. I run it a little bit to kind of flex the belt some. As you can hear, it's a lot quieter. A little bit of rattle to the blower itself, but it ain't bad. You don't want to put too much tension on the belt, because what happens is you want to make sure there's no slip in it. But what happens if there's too much tension, you get premature belt wear, and puts a lot of tension on the blower bushing, which can cause it to wear prematurely. You don't want to do that. So I'm going to put this approximately see how that does. I'm going to put it approximately where it was before. Almost. It's a little too tight. Put that around a little bit. Now this little nut is kind of a keeper to keep this from backing out. So that belt, it's got about an inch of deflection. It's right about where it was before. Now when you tighten this, put one wrench here, hold it, snug that nut down some. And when you're in here, you can go ahead and make sure all of these are tight.